Good morning. In the last lecture, we discussed about the disc brake, introduction about that the braking systems and the different functions and the types of the braking systems. Today we discuss here some important points here. That is nothing but the braking systems. For the braking systems, the disc brake is here. The disc brake is the fixed caliper. In another name is here the fixed caliper. Is fixed caliper is nothing but that we when we using this the some fluid or hydraulic pressures into this the two type of the calipers. This caliper, whatever I am using this some cursor of my mouse. This is a caliper. This is a caliper is here, and into this caliper we require them this type of the cylinders, and this cylinder we applied or the caliper is applied some force with the help of some brake pedal. This brake pedal moving with the pistons is big pistons is on the applied on the brake disc, and this brake disc is moving with the help of some that. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये काय आहे की ज्यावेळेला हा सिलेंडर जो आहे त्या डिस्क ब्रेकचा आपण ब्रेक अप्लाय केल्यानंतर हा जो फ्रिक्शन पॅड आहे तो फ्रिक्शन पॅडवरती येऊन आपडतो, आणि हा जो कॉम्प्रेस झाल्यानंतर फ्रिक्शन पॅडवरती डिस्कमध्ये आल्यानंतर ज्या ठिकाणी रोज आहे ज्या ठिकाणी होल आहे त्यामध्ये अटकून बसतो. प्लंगर जे आहेत ते डिस्क जे आहे ते फिक्स्ड होतात, आणि विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट वी डिस्क ब्रेक्स we control all this the moving with the fluid is here. The another image in front of you shown as some floating calipers, and into this floating calipers we are using this caliper are used to moving with the pistons. This piston is applied on that this braking pad. This braking pad is applied again. This big braking pad is in between, they merge with the help of some pistons, and for this the moving of the wheels, and this wheels is connect with the brake clutch or the brake pad. This brake pad is control the vehicle or the stopping the vehicle or to avoid the vehicle distance, and with the help of that there is a image shown as here some the caliper. Total whatever we are using the material is in the form of the cast iron material or the powder coating, depends upon their use for the heavy vehicle or the loose the small vehicle, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, just like that. That's why we are using this type of these vehicles to cover that. Okay, the next point is here this shown as here this pin on there this caliper side. This is a pin, and this pin is with the help of some the brake hose or this is a piston housing or this is a bleed valve or the calipers to control the vehicle with the help of that. Then dust cap. This is a dust cap. This is the wheel hub. This is a brake disc on the rotor is here, and then wheel stud. This wheel stud is connected with the help of some blade, and this blade wheel stub or this the wheel cap is connected on the shaft of the wheel. This shaft of the wheel is control the vehicle with the help of that. This is nothing but these are floating calipers or they are the disc brake of ears. This is the disc brake have some disadvantages and advantages. First we see about the advantages. The first advantage is here the lighter than the drum brake, so that's why we reduce the weight of the total vehicle, also to increase the efficiency, and it's lighter vehicle of the, as there is the drum brake. Then the better cooling, since the braking surface is directly exposed to air. Then the offer better resistance to brake. Then uniform pressure distribution, since the disc brake have no servo effect. Then the brake pad is easily replaced. Then the brakes are self adjusted by design. Then disadvantage is costlier than the drum brake for stopping the vehicle higher than. This is first disadvantage is here the costlier than the drum brake. Then for stopping the vehicle higher pressure pedal is required. There is no servo actions in these brakes, and it is difficult to install the adequate braking systems here. This is nothing but that this the different part of the braking systems. Okay, and these braking systems is also compared with the hydraulic systems or the mechanical systems. We accurately control the vehicle within reduce the stopping distance, or also accurately stopping the vehicle to avoid the avoid the accidents, and these are the avoid the accidents with the help of the disc brake or the flipper. Fix the calipers with the help of some different parameters. So this is the disc brakes as compared to the mechanical or the hydraulic brakes is important for their the understanding. What we discussed in the last lecture is here. This last lecture we discussed here in this the important parts here, these principles. So this principle we can apply here some different parts is nothing but that the kinetic energy moving vehicles towards to the heat energy, and this heat energy is stopped to control the vehicle of their the different parts. And then similarly for that the stopping the distance with the help of some expression of the total stopping distance is distance traveled during the reaction times also, and net stopping distance also. For that we are using this also, we using this the disc plates, and the disc plates is control the vehicle of the disc brake. Then in the weight transfer also we calculate here for there the disc brakes. And then as we discuss about that the wheel skidding, and this wheel skidding also is to reduce the avoid the accident and control the wheels, the control the distance to reduce the braking systems with the help of some wheel skidding. And this wheel skidding is the braking force on the wheel is less than the force additions, and the vehicle decelerates gradually till it stops. So for that with the help of some the role of the relief valve. Okay, thank you for that, because when we think about this disc brake is accurately controlled and lighter as compared to the drum brake. आणि तुम्ही बघितलं असाल कोणतेही तुम्ही स्पोर्ट्स व्हेकल घ्या किंवा तुम्ही 150cc पुढचे बाईक्स घेतला असाल तर त्याचे हायर स्पीड, त्याचं कन्झम्पशन फ्युएल कन्झम्पशन कमी जास्त असून तुम्हाला पॉवर जास्त मिळते, आणि पॉवर जास्त मिळाल्यामुळे तुम्हाला स्पीड जास्त मिळते, आणि ज्यावेळेला तुम्हाला स्पीड जास्त मिळते तुम्ही बघितलं असाल तर त्या स्पीड जास्त जसे जसे मिळते त्यासाठी हा कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी लायटर ब्रेक जो असतो तो डिस्क ब्रेक आपण यूज करतो. आणि हा जो लायटर डिस्क ब्रेक आहे तो आपल्या तो लायटर डिस्क ब्रेक जो आहे तो लायटर डिस्क ब्रेक आपल्या आपल्या डिस्क ब्रेकमध्ये किंवा व्हेकल्समध्ये आपण तो यूज करू. ओके, थँक्यू.